Hey there, I'm Charles, your AI trading assistant from Pipdemy. Welcome to this special lesson on the trend strength indicator. Today, we'll explore what trend strength really means, how to measure it, and, most importantly, how to use that information to make smarter trading decisions. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, understanding trend strength can seriously level up your technical analysis. We'll break things down into simple parts, go over practical examples, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to use trend strength like a pro. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Before we get into the indicator, let's first understand the concept of trend strength itself. Think of trend strength as the momentum or force behind a trend. Just because a market is going up doesn't mean the trend is strong. It might be weak and ready to reverse. Now, here's the key. Trend direction tells you where the market is going. Trend strength tells you how confident the market is about going there. By identifying trend strength early, you can avoid entering weak trends and instead ride strong, reliable moves. This is especially powerful for short-term traders and scalpers who rely on momentum. Now that you understand the idea, let's take a closer look at the trend strength indicator itself. This indicator visually shows how strong a trend is, often using bars, histograms, or oscillator lines. Most of the time, rising bars above zero. Strong bullish momentum. Falling bars below zero. Strong bearish momentum. Some popular versions include the ADX, Trend Strength RSI, and custom-built histogram indicators. Regardless of the version, the goal is the same. Help you spot strong trends and stay away from choppy or sideways markets. In the next part, we'll apply it to a real chart. Let's now apply the indicator to a live chart and walk through some signals. First, load the trend strength indicator, whichever version you use. Look for a shift from negative to positive, Mristam bullish setup. A shift from positive to negative, Mristam bearish setup. Here's the key. Don't enter just because a flip happens. Wait for confirmation, such as a breakout, support, resistance bounce, or a matching candle pattern. I'll now highlight a couple of recent examples so you can see it in action. Remember, the cleaner the trend, the more accurate the strength signals. To get the most out of this indicator, combine it with other tools. One great combo, trend strength plus 150 EMA. If price is above the 150 EMA and trend strength is positive, you're looking at a strong bullish trend. You can also combine it with price action, a bullish engulfing candle. Plus, rising strength bar. Solid long setup, a pin bar rejection, plus negative strength, potential short. These combinations improve your accuracy and filter out low probability trades. Like any tool, the trend strength indicator is powerful if used properly. Let's go over a few mistakes traders often make. Mistake number 1, relying on one time frame only. Always check strength across higher time frames to avoid fakeouts. Mistake number 2, entering too early. Let strength build up and combine it with a confirmation signal. Pro tip: use trend strength as a filter, not your only signal. Pro tip: backtest it. See how it performs across different pairs and market conditions. The real edge comes when you combine this with a trading plan and discipline. And there you have it, your complete guide to the trend strength indicator. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. What trend strength means, how to read the indicator. Real-life application on charts, smart combinations with EMAs, and price action mistakes to avoid. This isn't just theory. These tools can help you take smarter, more confident trades. If you found this helpful, don't forget to explore other lessons here at Pipdemy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!